Hello and welcome to another Flavor Sphere video. Today we're going to prepare rigatoni with zucchini cream and salmon. First, peel the garlic and put it in a pan to sauté with a drizzle of extra virgin olive oil. Then finely chop a zucchini. Add the zucchini to the pan over high heat and season with salt and pepper. Then prepare fresh salmon by cutting it into cubes after removing the skin. Then bring water to a boil in a pot for the pasta. After cooking the zucchini, place them in a container and blend it to obtain a smooth cream. Now you can cook the pasta in salted water, and in the meantime, sear the salmon for 2-3 minutes, then transfer it to a plate. Pour the zucchini cream into a pan and add the cooked pasta with a bit of pasta water. Mix well. Add some of the salmon cubes to the pan, stir, and continue cooking. Adjust the flavor with a pinch of pepper. Plate the pasta, put the rest of salmon on the top, and add a drizzle of raw oil. There you have it, your pasta. Serve it hot. We invite you to try making it yourself and send us a photo of the result. And don't forget to like and subscribe to our page to see all our recipes. Enjoy cooking and bon appetit!
Cloud storage, or it could be your own premise.